So these are some of the things I want to try to use in my Valentine's Day vignette. I keep trying to use this tray with the red ribbon on it and fit it in to some of my vignettes, but we'll see if this works this time. I've had to exchange it out for another tray. I remember that in another video that I did. Some red roses that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. That mug, I just hauled that recently with the print on it. The Love You mugs, I had those for a number of years now, and they can be used, they're huge, so they can be used for soup. I've used them for soup as well as coffee. That All Things Grow with Love sign is from the Dollar Tree. The heart wreath is from Dollar General. I picked that up the other day. That's $3. And I just hauled this tray, this single-tiered stand, rather. Follow Your Heart sign. That's those are from Dollar Tree. This bistro tray, still wet because I just washed it. I hauled that the other day from Goodwill. And I just have a red towel under here from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to try to set up some kind of kitchen vignette, and I'll determine what we're going to call this once we get everything together. I don't know if I'm going to entitle this coffee bar. Let's see, coffee bar, or just my kitchen vignette. So let's see what we'll do with this. I know I want to put something, a little something on the counter. So we'll see. Hey guys, this is my Valentine's Day breakfast bar vignette. And what I was trying to go with was a grab and go kind of setup using what I already had at the house. So let me show you what I did. I did change out some of the things that I initially said I was going to use. Took the bistro tray and I just filled this with cereal bars and nutrition bars and what have you. This All Things Grow with Love thing, as I mentioned, I got that from Dollar Tree, and the flowers. So I just tried to fill that with some grab and go cereal bars. This one-tier stand that I thrifted a couple of days ago, I just used some of my black and white buffalo check, which you know I've been loving this year, or this season rather, and put a little stand here, and put some cinnamon bagels. These are mini bagels. Put some cinnamon bagels there, with, of course, Philadelphia cream cheese. Philly, my hometown. You guys know I'm a South Philly girl, right? The Love You mugs. I bought those a couple years ago. I think I mentioned that. And hubby and I both have one. So I put one there on that cake stand that I was finally able to use. Yay! With the red ribbon. And I put some fruit. Hubby likes this kind of fruit. And he used to be a big fan of the small grapefruits. I think we still have a few of those in the fridge. He's cut back a lot though. And of course I have the red, what is that, a tinsel wreath that I got from Dollar General. But there, the urn that the red flowers are sitting in, that was thrifted sometime last year, and I think I hauled that. So here you have my grab and go breakfast vignette on the kitchen counter. And the cloche was thrifted, I don't know how long ago, but I have so many of those cloches that I thrifted. And this was quickly put together, guys. And anyone can do this. My microwave beeping in the background with my breakfast. So I hope you like it. Hope you can take something away from this. It's really budget friendly because most of this stuff was thrifted. So thanks, guys. And thanks for supporting me in this channel. I look forward to seeing all of your Valentine's Day little vignettes. And I'll see you all in my next production. Bye.